Hi guys, it's Laura and my goal today is to show you some ways on how to use washi tapes. First of all, washi tapes are stationery products which are usually used in bullet journals as a decorative piece, and honestly, there is no rule on how to use them. That's why many of you might struggle to find ideas. First, let's begin with the most obvious idea, and that is using them in journals. I like to use them along with stickers or other stationery and combine more washi tapes at once. It is also cool not to cut them perfectly, but just rip them off, and that will give you more of a scrapbooking effect. As you can see here, you can also use them as some type of headers for your titles, or maybe you can use them as legends. You can also use them as frames for your daily writings, and you can create washi tape swatches. For this next idea, we are using just a plain little object, like for example this bottle, or you can use a jar or something, and then place a washi tape on it. You can do it just on one piece, or you can wrap it around fully, and it will give you this cute, adorable effect. Then on the other side, we have the same idea, but with a glass. And it's really important to use some type of waterproof washi tape, like this transparent one. As you can see, I already have a sticker attached, and I was washing this glass a lot of times and the sticker didn't come off. This is also turning a boring, just plain cup into a very fun one, and I was doing this as a child actually, and I still have a lot of glasses that are decorated with stickers, not washi tapes back then, but I had this idea with washi tapes as well, and as you can see, the transparent one is working pretty well. And also make sure to stick around at the end of the video to hear some washi tape recommendations as well as some wrap codes. Another interesting idea would be to use them as hangers instead of plain glue. And as you can see, I'm using my own sticker, for example, but it's going to be like our little base, and I'm using some pretty washi tape. It's a grid one. And then what you basically do is, on some type of wanted surface like the wall, you just put the washi tape on your design, and that's it. I believe this idea to be most perfect when you want something on your wall or as a decoration, but you don't want it to be permanent, and then you can always rip it off or put it somewhere else. I think it would look really beautiful if you decorated whole entire wall with some pretty pictures and with the washi tapes. What I wanted to show you next is how I use washi tapes as a part of a collage, and for this little project I printed out some photos of me on Advent, and they're pretty boring and basic, and what I basically did, I decorated them with only my washi tapes. I will also show you how different types of washi tapes work pretty cool on this one simple spread. It would be really interesting if you have a real photo frame, and then on the glass part of the frame you put the washi tapes and stickers, of course, and that would give your photo collage such more beautiful look. As you probably know from my videos, I like to use vintage washi tapes, but of course whatever works for you. There are many forms and shapes in which washi tapes come from, but really there are no rules. You can use them however you want, as long as it suits you and as long as it looks pretty. And as you can see, I am combining a lot of designs, but in the end it all turned out pretty cute, and I guess that is of course the scrapbooking effect, that in the end the items that you put together, even though they're different, they actually turn out pretty cute. The point is that you can make wonders in your notebook or bullet journal even if you only stick to washi tapes, and I showed that there is absolutely no need to reach out for stickers and other stationery stuff. You can only stick with washi tapes and you're good to go because the designs stand up for themselves basically. I am adding a bit of calligraphy, and that is basically it for this washi tape based spread. Use washi tapes as a decoration for your phone case, because why would you pay a lot of money for a case if you can make it personal? I will show you at the end of this video where this washi tape is from, but this one is so pretty and it's basically one of my favorites, so pick whatever washi tape you want and cut out paper in shape of your phone. You can make a collage or just tape one whole case with the same washi tape. I didn't showcase this in my video, but you can glue also the washi tape to your laptop. And as I mentioned, it is not permanent, so you can always use different washi tape every time. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I will show you my favorite shops to buy washi tapes from and also give you codes so you can have a discount. These beautiful floral washi tapes are from the washi tape shop, and they seriously have such gorgeous and especially vintage designs. And I purchased this on myself, they didn't give it to me, and I am an ambassador for them, so you can use my code DreamsByHer10 in order to get 10% off. Next great online alternative for shopping for washi tapes is Kawaii Pen Shop, and they have amazing and of course kawaii and cute washi tapes in case you have a bit different style than me. And seriously, you can discover all kinds of beautiful shades and designs, and you can also get 10% off with my code. Both of these shops ship internationally, and the shipping is either free or very low. Feel free to use my code, and of course, happy shopping! I hope you found this video useful, and give it thumbs up or down if you liked it or not, and I will see you guys very soon, and happy shopping and happy washi taping. Love you, bye!